Are you looking for a solution to how to migrate Horde Webmail emails to Yahoo and macOS? First of all, install and run Mac Uncle Email Backup. Select Horde Webmail from email source. Enter Horde Webmail account credentials. Now click on Login. You can select desired folders for the conversion. Now, click on the drop-down menu of the Savings option, which shows you multiple saving file formats. Select Yahoo as saving option. Enter Yahoo account credentials. Now enter Yahoo app password. If you don't know how to create an app password, check the video description. Now enter the created app password. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you many useful features to migrate specific emails by using filter options such as date range, to, from and subject. Click on checkbox button of Use Selective Export Settings for email folders. If you want to convert only sent folder, then choose only Export Sent Folder option. To skip email body content and its attachments, choose Exclude Exporting Email Body Content and Attachments. Now click on Start Email Backup button and proceed further. Now, click on Start Backup button to process the conversion. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Now click on OK. Go to Yahoo. The program kept the folder hierarchy intact. Converted emails. Thank you for watching the video.